This next song's for everybody who's been to Kansas. All right. Hopefully I don't break my bass. I don't really care though. Down at the bottom of a dried up sea, there's a flat land called Kansas. That's where I'll be. Down in the Flint Hills. Let's hear it. Getting weird. Baby, come with me to the summit of Mount Sunflower. And through difficulty, we'll reach the stars. From the top of Mount Orient, together we'll reach the stars. Sunset on the prairie is a sight to behold. The fountain of youth and the city of gold. Coronado was mistaken when he took his rest. He lives on forever in the tale of his quest. So baby, come with me. Summit of Mount Sunflower, and through difficulty, we'll reach the stars. From the top of Coronado Heights, together we'll reach the stars. Chris Valencia on the fiddle. Alright everybody, I need to hear you as loud as you can, even if you don't know the lyrics, figure it out. So baby, come with me to the summit of Mount Sunflower, and through difficulty, we'll reach the stars. From the top of Kansas, together. I need y'all to repeat after me as loud as you fucking can. Rise up from the flames! 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 can try to run and hide. I hope it works out for you. It won't. The wheels fell off, your plane is crashed. Your demon days are through. The world will rise up from the ash. The people will start anew. We're out to get you now. Time to pay for your sins. We are gonna burn you down so we can make it new again. Come on, back time, it's a chance. Rise up from the flame. Rise up from the flame. Come on. Rise up from the flame. Rise up from the flame. We're out to get you now. Nothing you can say. Can you feel a grip tightening? Get stronger every day. You must have thought you were so clever. Your hand is gone for so long. Should have known it wouldn't last forever. It's time to be moving on. We're out to get you now. Time to make it right. Drag them bones out of the closet, bring them into the light. Rise up from the flame. Rise up from the flame. Louder. Rise up from the flame. Rise up from the flame. Out of nose, everybody. Come on, don't you fuck. If I go down in praise of glory and fight to the bitter end, will you be there to tell my story? Would you still be my friend? We're out to get you now. Nothing you can do. You can try to run and hide. I hope it works out for you. If I go down in a place of glory and fight to the bitter end, will you be there to tell my story? Would you still be my friend? Rise up from the flame. 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 set. I'm Hanko. I love you. I thought I got crazy and hung on the stage. All right, if the stage hasn't fallen apart.